Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to give admin access to your friends in Roblox. So if you have a game of your own, like an experience, and you want to make your friends an admin, then I'll show you how it can be done. So basically, you have to make sure you have the Roblox Studio, not the Roblox player. Open the Roblox Studio and open any experience in which you want to give the access. It will just take a while in the opening. Once it gets open, then in the view section of that page you have to make sure that toolbox is enabled. Go to view and make sure that toolbox is enabled. If you couldn't find that option, that means it is already enabled, and you will find the toolbox option on the left side. That means it is enabled. After that, you have to go to home, and here you also have to make sure that toolbox is enabled. Now if it is done, then in the toolbox you have to first select the model. You can see we have this option. Click onto that model, and there you have to look for the admin. Now in the admin there are multiple types of different admins, like admin infinite, admin simple admin. They are different ones. You have to simply look for the one that has the most views and a good rating. Here after searching, I have find a good admin that has a good rating. So you have to do the same. Look for the admin. If you find a good rating one, simply insert it anywhere on your game. Once you have it, what you have to do is you have to simply place it, and after that you have to click on to it. Then on the right side you will see its option. You have to simply expand it. Once you expand it further, you will see some of the options will appear there. From all these options you have to click on settings. As you click onto the settings, then further you will see the options will come up, but you have to again click on settings and this quoting page will come up. Now here you will see this option for admin, owner and different ones. Now in front of the owner you have to place the commas. You can place a single commas or a double commas, and in between you have to add your Roblox username. By doing that you will have the access as an owner. And now in the admin you have to do the same thing, but instead of adding your username you have to add the username of the friend to which you would like to give the access of admin. Place the commas, and in between you have to add the username of that person, and after that you have to simply publish your game to Roblox. So for that reason, on the left side you will see this option for file. Click onto it and publish to Roblox. Once you do it, your friends will have the access to admin. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.